Similarly, number. So when you create a number, so go to next, call it, we'll call it classes attended, and then classes attended would always be a non-decimal value, so we'll keep all 18 on the left side and click next and save. So this would create a number field for me. On a number field, we can have 18 digits in total. There can be X number on the left and Y number on the right side of the decimal, but the total should be 18, very similar to the currency field. Then we have the percentage. So percentage field is very similar to number field, but what it does is it automatically adds a % sign to the end of the value that whatever you would give. So let's click next, create, we'll just call it percentage, and then obviously percentage would have some decimal values as well, so we'll keep up to 2 decimal places, and we'll click next and save. Right, so this would create a percentage field for us. So let's see how our field look like on the user interface. Classes attended, it's a number value, so we'll give 3, percentage like 70. So as you can see, Salesforce has automatically added the percentage sign. Please share your questions, thoughts and feedback in the comments section, and I'll get back to you.